Yes, guys, that's the LG DirectDrive. But I'm not alone filming this one. Someone's here because it's his birthday.
Hello.
It's washing machine guy. We didn't see him, but he's there.
I'm here.
He made a special visit. He wasn't intending to come round, but I said, no, just come for the sake of it. So yes, we're going to do a short towel wash in the LG and wash and dry just to see how it works. And you're watching Florence Ballad A3060 on film.
What shall I load it up with? Just the gems, is it?
Yeah, we're using personal power gems. They were always called that.
Yeah.
Then they became personal gems. Then it went back to I don't know. Unless this is old stock. I got it from Savers for £2. It reminds you of the smell you get in a hotel after they've just cleaned it.
Yes.
That's the first thing I said when I first smelt these.
Oh, is that enough?
That's fine, yeah.
Cool.
It is impossible to suds these machines up.
Oh, there we go. Is it just alright? I just pour it on top?
Yeah, that's what I do. I don't put that because that make especially if you're using a washer dryer, you don't want to do that.
No. In drum on draw.
Draw.
Yes.
Because then this will start.
Yeah.
Hopefully getting that stuff in there.
That's a good plan.
But I think this is going to end up like the Milo. Where I need to get a new drawer.
Yeah. My nan's machine needs a new drawer.
Oh, I registered this machine on LG's website.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Conditioner, hang on.
Oh yes, sorry.
We got eco, but we're being good to the environment.
Yeah. It smells nice. That. It smells a little bit like Dove to me.
What does this one?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Yeah, Ecover's got a nice scent to it.
It is. It's not chemically. It just smells fresh.
A pre-wash. And it's got all the other things there. Softener, but I suppose you could put starching in there.
Yeah. Or
right.
like Dettol stuff, whatever it's called.
So we are going to use... That's it. So you can hit the on button. I love that every time it does that. Best thing what we could do.
I'm surprised it's on like a turbo wash function.
Thing is though, it'll weigh the load out beforehand.
Yeah. Cotton or... Yeah.
See, in 10 to 60, the problem with that, it doesn't do any intermediate spins.
Oh, that's strange.
I don't know why it doesn't.
So you know how long?
Hour long, yeah. Although we haven't pressed dry, then it comes to 4 hours 43.
Well, that's cool. That brings
But then that's not the actual dry time, because after the spin, it then weighs the load out again to check if it's... So we do we can do Cotton's 40 with this one, because they're just not really... We'll click auto dry.
Anything else at all?
No, Medic rinse is like 25-minute long.
Oh, it is, isn't it? I remember seeing it on the film. It's like, oh Jesus, that's a long rinse.
It took a long, Right, you can go ahead with that. We've got,
Awesome. 3, 2, 1, and it feels weird not hearing the like the other ones do. But
that's it. So now we're weighing the load out. And it will come up with the time. Roughly about 3 hours, it'll say.
Yeah. The wash will only take an hour, won't it?
An hour. 40 minutes is the main wash. I don't know for Cotton's 40 though, it's very quick.
Oh, I just realised what I'm bloody doing.
What, that?
That's all I
People put that in. Sometimes people put the white one in, and they think that's what you got to do.
There's not enough in there at all. Especially if it's a hard water like you live around, like I do.
Yeah, 334 it come up with.
334, that's pretty good, because for the drying it'll be...
For that, about 2 hours it'll do for those.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, little pulse fills it does.
This bloody
LG's have got very strange programming. I've never actually understood it. That's what I like. I like a machine. There we are. I like a machine that I don't understand.
I know. That's what I liked about the integrated Zanussi. I didn't understand it a bit because it was at first I didn't realise it had the Project's motor in it, and I didn't realise it did the AEG sensing at the start.
Right, yeah, it does that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was not prepared for the spin. How quickly that ramps up.
I love that. Yeah, I love that. It's quite good how long it stays at 1400.
I don't get why it does this. Little pulse fills. You'll get to see 3 of the 6 motions on this cycle.
Yeah.
There's tumbling, which is regular tumbling.
Yeah.
Stepping and filtration.
Bloody hell, I've changed the tools so guys.
I'll all go.
I wonder if it'd be good to add them to the drawer, like I do with my
Chris did that with his computer control, and it just went. Is that your phone? And it disconnected somehow.
No, I took it off, but whoops.
Here we go. Yeah, stepping.
Step in. It's a good phase, I love that.
It's so aggressive, that action. It's like.
It's a good way to start the wash.
Everyone's like, ew, towels at 40. Yeah, guys, the towels are clean, really, just a bit for freshen up. But what also someone said to me is true. I don't have to worry too much about using high temperatures because the dryer kills whatever bacteria.
Yeah.
Actually, you could plug that in over there, your phone.
Oh yeah.
Where's my one?
We don't have to
The glue though, remove the kettle on here. No, still here. I think I know what it's going to do now. Let's have a look. Oh, we do have a fill. We're doing all these little fills.
little Polish fills. Which is good because it means the stepping action will be a bit longer then, won't it?
I think it should mean that. Or hang on.
Oh, maybe you already changed it.
3:30. I know what we're doing now. Filtration.
One of the best actions.
I love this. It's like fast power stream. And then you someone see the suds getting whipped up through there.
Yes, I love that. I see a tiny bit through here from here.
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's so husband does that. And then it'll do the other way at some point. Oh, there's actual suds in that machine.
That's insane.
That's what I love about washer dryers. They're doing a small load. That's like a. Because this is what I found about vintage washer dryers. Like the drying capacity of that is the full capacity basically of the 9530.
Yeah.
So if I had a 9901, I can only dry about 2.5 kilograms of that. That's insane.
Crazy,
I can't.
Yeah.
And that's why I wanted a large capacity machine. I can't believe immediately it's a 6 kilo. That looks tiny now compared to that.
It does, doesn't it? It's definitely a lot deeper, that drop.
That is deep. And the machine, it's deeper going that way as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it sits under the counter a lot better, which is weird.
What's that?
So yeah, it sits under the counter a lot better.
Yeah. I'll push it right back now this time. I think we've reached 40 degrees. 3 hours and 21 on the clock. 3:20 now. So I don't know if we're doing any more filtration. We just did two. We just did one. And then I guess shortly we'll go on to the intermediate spin.
Yeah, about another 10 minutes.
That's what it spends enough time at that temperature, and then it just it knows when it's done. Then.
So yeah, I'm ready to go on that stage.
Even the rinses are short on this as well, but they're about as long as the 9.5 rinses.
Yeah.
So about 4 minutes long is all you really need for
That's good.
Well, the meter which does 7 to 10 minute rinses, and I just think it's a bit over.
Yeah.
A drink.
Got a little bit of heel.
Unexpected film in the OG. It takes time to use this machine because you end up with it. Yeah. Being a washer dryer, of course you've got to have more time for it.
Definitely, yeah. Might not be able to say for all of it because of course I got to.
That's fine. Yeah, you just see a bit of the dry. Yeah.
Should be able to see a bit of the dry.
See wherever you can.
Oh, it's only 8:33.
Yeah.
As long as I'm.
That'll be going on spin very shortly. The spins don't mess around well.
No.
As long as it doesn't start faffing about balance.
Yeah.
Because then it can spin, be unbalanced, and like, nope, we're not spinning this. Alright, on the first intermediate spin. Where's my lap? I can get that for that stuff. Distributing.
No, no, yeah. Now we go. Now we go. There we go. There's gonna be a couple.
No. See, instant cut off. It's like, nope.
Yeah,
Not doing
no, I'm not doing that. I wish the dummy mode was really like that sometimes.
Well, it isn't though, is it? They're not.
What?
Well, that's nice. I like people who film the light and then they have the light in the way of the camera.
Hmm. That's not spin, I think.
It won't.
No?
That won't spin that. Told you. This thing is like can be quite fussy.
Come on, I've got a bus to catch soon.
And you know what things with LGs? They will do that until they are balanced. There is no like leniency with these things. They will continue. They'll hold the time for however long they. I've had this thing balancing like 15 times.
God.
That'll just spin that. Nice quiet sound.
And no.
We need the pump come on. That pre-spin they do. Fast distribute they do.
Definitely. It's 400 bursts and then it does the.
And then it.
I want to film this bit, then just like, ah, okay.
There is a chance that could decide it's too unbalanced to spin.
Yeah, that's kind of why they do it, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's the final check now. After this, then it'll just go for it. The older ones used to spin anti-clockwise when they were unbalanced.
Yeah, I remember
This
that.
one doesn't. Phew, no, that's it, we're committed. Yeah, that is actually a normal standard sound for LGs, that is. That shock absorbers.
Yeah.
It's the only sort of downside to this doing that sometimes.
Yeah, but at least it's better than I mean, as much as I love the GEC motors, at least it's better than having a GEC motor at 1200 RPM going through your ears.
1400 on that.
Oh my god, yeah. Even that, yeah.
But it wears off after about 800 RPM, then it just becomes a general sound. It just continues going up.
It's lovely, isn't it?
I've fallen asleep to this while it's just spinning.
It's such a...
I thought I had like a 3-minute nap and nothing sound just like that.
Oh yeah, the rinse going.
And that's what scared me. Or the pump come back onto it. The first spin is 1000 RPM.
That the window does. I love what the window does though. It gets to 850 and then boosts up to 1000.
I love that. I remember they did that. It's like it started vibrating on your garden patio. Yeah.
That was only 850 when they did
That
that.
was like, got that out.
Yeah.
Then you just see the motor kicking in slightly.
Yeah.
I love when the Suns do that. Glow around. I wish these did spin fills.
That'd be lovely, like what the Bosch do sometimes.
Or the Bolton next do. I think the Whirlpool 6 sensors do it. They all spin fill all the way from 1000. side. So we're on the first rinse now, and Charlie's pointing out it's quite a deep rinse.
Yeah. Well, it's good to that loads of times.
I like it goes one way, and then because the motor engage is going that way.
It's quite good for this, especially with that level high of the rinse. Going back and forth that quick must be quite nice for it to get all
That's
the
what I
suds out
think it
of
does, yeah. That's why I think it doesn't need so long in the rinse. Because after a while, I think if the rinse goes on too long, you then just start washing the suds back into the load.
Yeah, of course.
Although power gems do take a bit of rinsing.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's a good thing you put softener in there, quite.
Yeah. I forgot I use dryer sheets as well. They're okay. The Asda ones, however, gave me such a bad reaction to them. I went into work wearing them with my work clothes. The whole 6-hour shift, I was just scratching myself. I was like at the till, like I had eczema.
Oh, bless you.
Got home and it looked like someone had been whipping me with about 50 iron chains. And literally was all over my back. I was like, I don't know what was in it.
I better look to see, because my sister's on her own, so that's why I've got to be back soon.
Oh, that's fine, yeah.
I know that. I don't
If
know
not,
what the does all.
If not, I can always, after this, I can just cut it onto a rinse and spin.
That's alright.
2 out of 46 is not actually how long it's going to take.
No,
it will cut down the dryer time after.
Mm.
It's just the final spin for the drying is like long.
Yeah. To get rid of all the suds, really, isn't
I
it?
thought that was going to be it. No, we'll have another go. No.
That won't spin that.
But because the suspension is so rigid, the load is actually more unbalanced than what it seems.
Good. Yeah.
Good.
That's because I got a message from someone else about that.
That's perfect, that's going to go. This is also 1000 RPM as well.
That's great.
I swear that one I tested British Half Edition did a 1200 intermediate spin. I definitely remember that 1200.
Yeah.
Imagine the WD860 here. That would have. I was actually contemplating one, but I was just like, last minute I was like, let's try something I've not been for.
Yeah.
LG.
That'd be great. Yeah, it's great.
I think this is everyone's new favourite machine on my channel now. Or how? Oh, that didn't even do the pre-spin. Oh no, it did. There's a lot more back and forth movement now on this one.
Yeah.
Don't stop and rebalance. All I can see is you doing this out the corner of my eye.
Sorry, the hair was getting my Snapchat's brush at me again.
But this has got 3 shock absorbers, 2 this side and 1 that
Yeah,
side.
which makes sense for the way it's spinning.
Yeah. I need an anti-clockwise machine in my collection now.
Yeah,
That's
definitely.
fun. I like it just constantly goes up now.
Oh, that sound is so...
It's nice when the pump goes off and you hear it.
At some point later on, I think I'll get an LG. I was like, it was either
Are you going to
Bosch
get the
or
twin
an
wash? Are you going to get the twin wash one? Or
If I don't get the twin wash model, I will.
would you get one like this then?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll ever get a Centum model. I don't like the Centum system. I don't know. I just don't like the way they're.
I've always called it Central.
Centum, I don't Is it centre?
It must be centre. You'll probably write more than me. I'm dyslexic, so I don't know.
I don't know. If it's LG's newest stuff, I don't.
Yeah, no, I don't like the newest stuff. It just takes too long, personally. But
yeah, some of their cycles are really long. The washers are on like 4 hours. That's it, when the motor screams a little bit. When not loud. It's nice when it's a 12 and it's on the final spin, you know it's going to be, it's going for it.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, I would have loved an instant evolution.
Yeah.
But I think that whiny motor would have gotten to me eventually.
Oh god, yeah.
With it being the one machine in the kitchen that I'd be constantly having, it would have eventually. It was like, no, because the Margarita was like, I was very shocked how loud that was at 16. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
But if it was just that one machine in the kitchen I was having, I think eventually I'd be like, I don't.
So relaxing.
It's nice to actually have a modern machine.
Yeah.
That's what I like. I'm actually like, I'm shocked I'm saying that because I was always against modern machines, but now it's just like,
it's not bad.
I just love vintage machines for their character, but I couldn't see me having one as like a daily use machine.
I think
like we'd be sitting there with that now, and one of these spins it would have jumped out.
Yeah.
That's what I would have known would have happened.
What's great, like, I'm glad that you've seen now, is the fact for vintage machines it's character, for modern machines it's
the sound. It's the sound. Although there are some modern machines that do have character to them for the wrong reasons, though.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah.
But what I love about modern machines sometimes is options.
Yes.
Variety.
That's what I wanted, because with a timer controlled machine, it'll go through all those programs. There's only so much you can do.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, like the Insit W161 that Chris had. That was quite good because it had quite a lot of options.
Yeah, but it's still. I don't know why it does this. It's got a habit of squeaking. I don't know if it's the bearing seal or what, but then it wears off when it gets hot. And now we're on the final rinse. That's done the conditioner fill. And we developed a squeak. This machine has got a bit of a habit of squeaking sometimes. I think it's just when it gets cold.
What is it? Just that little bit.
Oh my god, Kieran's laundry!
Oh my god!
Oh, is that his dishwasher open as well? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Kieran, we're talking about you.
Hi, Kieran.
Don't use them either. Use the Siemens.
Use the Siemens. Reliability.
Unlike a conventional washing machine, LG's revolutionary DirectDrive motor delivers power straight to the drum, maintaining a smooth, balanced action. This helps to reduce vibration, so the DirectDrive is whisper quiet even at 1600 RPM. The absence of brushes, pulleys and belts eliminates the most common sources of repair problems. With durability and reliability built in, there's less to go wrong and more to go right. That's how many times I've played that thing over and over again to people. I love I did that. I put my phone by and I thought that's what I recorded it.
You sounded just like like someone who speaking advert, yeah.
I remember when they did an advert for the DirectDrive when it first came out, and it showed a 50p cooling balancing on it. I can't find it anywhere.
I remember the last man.
Okay, we'll come back to you on the final spin. So, Charlie's gone, guys, but we're going to be continuing the final spin in the dry. Throw it away.
Sure.
Yeah, throw it away. machine's going to be a pain. I can say I won't spin that. She's gonna be a nuisance. Yay. That is really unbalanced, that is. Oh my goodness me. The problem is she's still spinning. Cut out all the anti-tangles. Okay, going for the 1000 RPM burst now. Instant no. 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 That.
Do you see this I got from Primark? You want me to pick one up for you?
Was it? I don't wear those masks, so.
Oh, right, but it's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Keep all your masks there.
Masks?
Oh, shut up. We'll start that again.
You wait, keep all your masks in there. You got it on camera. You did.
Idiot.
See? Told you.
What?
That it would happen one day. That's going to be too unbalanced to spend that. No, we're committed. $1,000 here. go, that squeaky sound. It's the final ramp up now. Oh. Should go. Don't know how balanced I'll be there. Yeah. Not too bad. Well, a little bit. Let's see what she says. Yes, we're committed. Switch the main light off so we can drive. There we go. That's quite unbalanced. I'll spin it 1400, I'll wait about a minute, and then I'll come back in again. Not make the video too long. Speed now. Yep, full speed. Only the front panel's vibrating as well. The whole machine though is still. That's amazing. So now we're going to be calibrating the load for drying. There we are, so now we're weighing out the load. Kind of stops squeaking as well. What do we decide on? 2 hours, but I know we'll dry quicker. Drying away now. Heat is applied. Shouldn't take that long for those to dry. It needs to tumble fast. It's getting warm now. So we've 56 minutes left on the drying cycle. Everything's looking a lot more dry than it was at the start. However, with towels we know that they take a lot longer to dry than anything else. So I don't know if the machine will cut down the time. It's distributing now. We'll just have to wait and see. Click there was the element kicking back in. So calming and satisfying to see that drying. Pretty much distributing everything. Yeah. So it's on those. of the sensing now. Nice and hot and fluffy. All out there. That clicks, that's the element kicking back in. So within the space of about almost 10 minutes, we've cut down now. So we've actually cut off. We've cut off just about, I'd say about 36 minutes off, because the load was dry. So we're on the 10 minute final cool down stage now. Some nice hot, dried, fluffy and fresh towels. The last minute, or last 30 seconds of the drying now. Time to unload. Oh, very, very, very nicely done and very, very hot. Oh, so fluffy. So I love that about having a washer dryer. Things like with the tumble dryer, the white line, by the time we did the cool down, it really was cooled down. Everything was just completely, a lot colder, because the heat was lost. And with a washer dryer, the heat doesn't escape as easily. Always give it a shake out to avoid the possible case of spontaneous combustion from all the energy stored. Like, they come out with a slight damp feel to them, but that's what they're supposed to come out of, because it's that actually keeps them fluffy. This is a ripped towel, this is, but I don't remember how I ripped that. Oh, I know. It was something to do with a screwdriver, I think. I did something stupid. Oh, not stupid. It was just fixing my machines, and then I got this odd one here. So we did 3. We were meant to do a bath towel there, or something, but I knew that would take a bit longer. So sadly, Charlie didn't get to see the dry nor the final spin, but we can rearrange that, and he'll also get to see the 9530 and the A3060. He's not seen any of them. He's only seen the Cassata. So, happy 19th birthday to you, buddy. You honestly have always been like one of my, well, I'd say the most trusted person that I have in the washer community, and not even just in the washer community, but just in general. We have a lot of late night calls and whatnot, but there's things, we don't just talk about washing machines, washer dryers and appliances. We talk about our favourite music. He loves the Red Hot Chili Peppers and Keen, something we share in common. And then I love Duran Duran, and we show each other music. and we just generally talk about personal life, and that's something that I find is often hard to talk with people about. You know, if you like washing machines, a lot of people just tend to talk about that. There's also not a lot of other people that I like to sort of, you know, put all my negative energy on while talking about personal stuff. So, you know, Charlie, you deserve it all, mate, and I want you guys to subscribe to him. He deserves a lot more followers, subscribers, especially more than I do, I think. I know that I'm over 5,100 or something. I don't know, I haven't really checked. But some of you guys, please spare some of that and give to him. Don't just all come to me, you know. I'm at 5k now and I'm not really pushing to get to 10k. If it happens, it happens, but if not. So, you know, glad you got home safely, buddy, and yeah, we will plan another meet-up when we can review this machine. Now the weather getting warmer and, you know, all the restrictions lifting and it's being a bit more safer, so yeah. So anyway guys, happy 19th birthday to you, Charlie. Thank you for being amazing to me as always, and without further ado, don't forget to stay safe and keep it supreme and go with the flow, and we'll say Grannies United.